Ever spent hours chasing a bug across 12 different log files, only to realize the timestamp formats don't match? Platform engineers, SREs, and DevOps leads battling fragmented logs know this pain all too well. The Logging Pipeline Pack gives you battle-tested elk stack templates for scalable clusters, structured logging configurations with JSON YAML schemas, automated log rotation with size-based pruning, and Grafana Kibana dashboards that scream, "Hey, look here," when things go sideways. No more playing Where's Waldo with your system metrics. Here's what's inside the Logging Pipeline Pack. Elk stack deployment templates with Elasticsearch ILM policies, log stash pipeline optimizations, and Kibana visualization presets. Structured logging guides covering app-level JSON formatting, systemd journal integration, and container log tagging. Automated log rotation policies with gzip compression, S3 archival triggers, and retention period controls. Pre-configured alerting dashboards with anomaly detection for HTTP 5XX spikes, JVM garbage collection pauses, and Kafka consumer lag. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Because chaos engineering shouldn't be optional. Installing the Logging Pipeline Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add logging-pipeline-pack. That's it. You get the full elk deployment pipeline, from Logstash configs to Grafana alert channels, plus structured logging blueprints for Java, Go, and Python services. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Suddenly, your AI assistant knows how to tune Elasticsearch refresh intervals, optimize Logstash filters, and set up PagerDuty escalations. It even whispers log rotate secrets in your ear while you sleep. Now, go make centralized logging a checkbox, not a nightmare.